Alright, this is the question number 14 of C Math, question 6, 2075, 109 AP. Here the question states, find the HCF of these three expressions. We have three expressions. You have to find the HCF, means you have to find the common factor, highest common factor. What are the common in all these three expressions? Okay, let's solve this. Solution. First expression, which is b squared times b squared plus 4bc plus 4c squared. What I have here, I have to simplify the term and reduce into the smallest form as much as possible. So you have to see if there is anything common first. There is nothing common in all these three, but we can factorize this. Look at here. When I multiply, 4 times 1 is 4, and add is also 4. So I have to factorize this term, saying, okay, 1 multiplying 4 and adding also 4. That is 2 by 2. The other way you can say, look at here. 4bc means 2bc plus 2bc. Right? You can factor that way as well. So how can I factor it out? Since multiplying 4, adding also 4 means 2 and 2, right? So 2bc plus 2bc plus 4c squared. Now this is a b squared. Look at these two terms, pair terms, right? These one pair, this is another pair. Out of these pair, what you have, take out the b common, b out, b plus 2c plus c common, here also 2 as well, 2c common, so here is b plus, to 4 out of 4, 2 is gone, from c 2 is gone, b plus 2c. So what I did here, out of these 2b, I took a b. So here is a b left, b is already gone here, so 2c is left. Now you have a 2 here as well. Here is a c, here is a c as well, so take out the c common. So once I take out the c, there is a b left, there is a 2c left. Again, look at here, we have another term, b plus 2c in common. So take out that. So I'm going to take out b plus 2c common, whatever the rest is, b plus 2c. That's the first factor. This is in the smallest form, or this is the factor of this. Second expression, let's do the second expressions. We have a second expression is b power 5, or let me do down here, second expressions. Second expression, which is b power 5 plus 8b squared c cubed. We have, that is the second expression, right? If you have this second expression, so what do we have to do? Factorize. If there is a common, firstly look for the common. Look out for the commons. What you have here, there out of 5b, there are 2b. Yeah, absolutely, there is a common. 2b, b squared common, right? Out of 5, 2b are gone, so 3 of them are left. Plus, 8 is still there, and b squared is gone, so c cubed is still there. So now, b squared. Look at here, can I write down this way? Since 8 is a 2 cube, right? A 2 cube c cube, let me write down this. Because 8 is a 2 cube c cube. Now you simplify more again. b cube plus 2c whole cube. Because 2 cube c cube means 2c whole cube. I did not do anything. You could skip these lines automatically, right? Because 8 is a 2 cube and c cube means 2c whole cube. Now you don't do anything here, only you apply the formula of a cube plus b cube, which is a plus b, right? Which is a plus b times a square, where a is b, right? A square minus ab minus a and b plus b square. So now b square is b square plus b plus 2c. Here is a b square minus 2bc plus 4c square. That is the factor. Even if you can look at 4, if multiplying 4 and just adding 2, there is no such number, right? Multiplying 4, adding negative 2, there is no number like that. So I still want to leave right there. So let me see the third expressions. Alright, third expressions is 3b power 4 plus b cubed c minus 10b squared c squared. As I have been explaining this term, if you have anything in common, please take out the common from all term. If you have, look at here, there are 4 of the b, there are 3 of the b, there are 2 of the b. So at least we can take out the b square common, 2b common, right? B square common. So what is left here? I have a 3b square plus 2b gone bc minus 10 b square is gone c square. Now we took out the common, there is no common left. Now our job is to factorize. Let's try to factorize. How do you factorize? When multiplying 3 times 10 is 30, when you multiply 30 and subtracting, you should get a 1. What are these two numbers? Think about like that, okay? Multiple of 30s are, factors of 30s are 1 and 30, right? 5 and 6, yeah, that's 5 and 6. Okay, if I subtract 6 minus 5, that's 1, that's correct. Or simply you can say, look at here, there is a 1. If I want to factor this out, right, I can say 6 minus 5 bc, which is correct, right? B squared, 3b squared plus 6bc minus 5bc minus 10c squared. Because when multiplying 30, subtracting is 1. Yeah, 6 minus 5 is 1. Now take out the common if you have from these two factor. Take out the common. So this is a b square. I have here 3b common. Look at here. There is also 3, there is also b. So 3b common. I have left over b plus 2c minus, here I have a minus common, 5 common, c common. 5c common. So there is left b, negative is gone, so the sign would be changed. So plus, out of 10, 5 is gone, which is 2 left, and 1c is gone, 1c is left. Now again you have a common, right? We have to seek for the common thing if you have. This is a common factor again. So if you take out the common, this is a b square, b plus 2c is a common, so there is a left 3b minus 5c, because b plus 2c, b plus 2c common, there is a left 3b minus 5c. That's the factorization of all term. So now what is the SCF is? SCF is, you have to look at the terms that have a common in every 3 expressions. So look at here. These terms is also here, sorry. Also here, and here, also here. Right? So b squared times b plus 2c, b squared times b plus 2c. So everything, they are in common. So I can write down b squared times b plus 2c is the answer. B plus 2c is the answer. So let me explain very quick. We have three expressions. We have to find the HCF. To find the HCF, we have to look at for the common terms. To find the common terms, let me factorize this. So b squared, I'm not touching anything. When I factorize, when I multiply 4, adding 4, what are these two numbers? 2. 2 and 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4. So I factor this number, this term into two terms, saying okay, 2bc plus 2bc is 4bc. So I just factor this out down here. Then I look at for the common, I took out the common. So whatever the left is b plus 2c from here. I found the 2c common here and here. Because there is a 2, there is a c, there is a 2, there is a c. So 2c common. B left, here is a 2c left. Again, I have a b plus 2c, b plus 2c in the common. So I factor them out. So I have left over b plus 2c. Similarly, let's do the second expressions. We have, this is the second expressions. In the second expressions, you saw that we have a 2b common, right? B squared in common. So I have a b squared common. So left is b cubed. Here is a left 8c cubed. And if you look at here, I can write down 8c cubed means 2c whole cube. Then factorize this using the formula a cubed plus b cubed. A plus b, a squared